So I've been working all day on this awning that came in this big box. There's more boxes inside of boxes. And we will head over and see how far I've gotten. Okay, so I've gotten to the point where all the brackets are in place and the awning roll thing is in place. It's a good thing. I had to put it all together so that I could see the distance for sure, because it wasn't really coming up correct when I was measuring it. Anyway, the good thing about doing that was that I realized that somehow I have to do a spacer between the camper. Each 4 places where it's connected, I have to do a spacer to bring it out, because this is a problem. The drip edge from the door is in the way. So the awning's gonna have to sit out another about 1.5 inches, because that roll is supposed to be almost touching and it's not. So I'm gonna have to do a spacer, which is okay because this bracket had absolutely nothing to screw into. You see how loose it is? So I'm gonna get some carriage bolts and actually bolt it in through the cabinet inside. And I might have to put a little anchor back in there too to get this thing to work. Alrighty, so part 2 tomorrow. Thank you for joining me. I'm gonna go make dinner. I worked all day on this. What a pain in the butt. The other thing that I'm gonna have to remember is that I can't really open the windows. There's very little space between the bracket and the window. So I can't open the windows when the awning is up. But I still have all these windows here, and then the window on the other side, and the front windows. So I think I'll be okay. Okay, talk to you tomorrow, part 2.